On the Vancouver-Burnaby border, the semi crashed with a pull down on boundary southbound for 22nd Avenue. You better miss similarly traffic. In Vancouver, there's a car fire being dealt with on southeast Ranger Ave, eastbound of Care. You're down one lane there as well. And in West Vancouver.
Oh, they were hauling ass. Yeah, they were hauling ass.
Oh, look. Tell me about the lizards. Ford shrugged again. Some people say that the lizards are the best thing that ever happened. The gin bottle is? Do I get to meet her? He did, because Fenchurch came in at that moment with a pile of newspapers.
Oh gosh. Why did they stop? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Right here and then go through the small streets. I think right. What are you? Oh. But you hit my car, mate. Well, a lot. Really, a static car. Come on, move, mate.
Yo, you got that on camera? Yes. No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's going to be a white Dodge Charger. E20 from here. I'm secondary. Let Pine Bluff know we got their car. Speed approximately 75. Approaching Hudson. TBI. 1016. Start us at 1016.
Hands! Right now! On the ground! On the ground! Now!
I had an old lady actually hit my other 1973 Mustang by running a stop sign. Today, this old lady wasn't paying attention and basically almost caused a head-on collision. I'm glad I reacted fast enough.
What the heck was that?
This happened today, April 19, 2025. I was doing 70 miles an hour on 840 on 5:30 in the morning. This pickup truck was mad because I would not move over because I was passing a truck in there. He's starting to brake check me. I dropped down to 50 mile an hour. He speeds up and brake checks. He speeds up and brake checks and acts like he's gonna hit the shoulder. Yeah, don't be an idiot. Don't be mad at me because I was passing a FedEx. Be mad at the FedEx for holding me up.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
We get to the cemetery, it's pitch black dark. I am the only one with flashlight. She's right behind me. Can I see how far you this?